gentlemen, this is huge. I'm loving this moment. आगे बढ़ने को जी नहीं चाह रहा है. इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Wow, simply wow. And just one thing, I think it would be fair if I ask Subhash sir to say a few words now after watching that teaser, sir, because मुझे चाहिए कि अच्छा मैम प्लीज आइए मंच पर. मान्यता मैम प्लीज
आइए.
Jyoti ma'am would of course, okay. And Subhash Ghai Saab, ladies and gentlemen. So we have these most beautiful posters that will be unveiled now. Abhishek sir, please manch par aaiye, of course. And iske liye I would request Manyata ma'am kindly do the honors, ma'am. We want you to do this, of course. Have with us one of the biggest directors of Indian cinema. We have the Asli showman of Indian cinema. Give it up for Subhash Ghai Saab, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is what you call a picture perfect moment, ladies and gentlemen. The man who gave us that peak detailing se full film. Subhash sir, thank you so much for being here. It's so good to see you. Jyoti ma'am was just talking about the fact that nowadays we talk about peak detailing with Dhurandhar, but you did it back then with Baba and the entire team of Khalnayak. What would you like to say, sir? We've just seen the teaser, by the way.
He is born as a Dhurandhar actor.
Whoa! Sir?
I know him since childhood. You see, it is a great moment. I'm so happy today, I can't tell you. Because it was an inner wish, genuine inner wish or passion hota na, Manyata and Sanju. कि सर ये पिक्चर तो बनानी है आज से नहीं, कितनी बार? Am I right? All credit goes to Manyata and Sanju. कि we have this when a filmmaker says now I have to make this, then it becomes Dhurandhar.
Wow.
I'm so happy. मोहित जी कहाँ हैं? मोहित जी की तबीयत थोड़ी नशात हुई. आप हैं, काफी हैं. उनका भी बहुत शुक्रिया कि उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया है इनको. और इस प्रोजेक्ट को सपोर्ट करने में आई एम वेरी श्योर विद हिज blessings and your blessings, this picture is going to be completed in time and with the full passion and with full force. And I can assure you today, it is going to be better than Khalnayak.
Coming from Subhash sir, of course, means a lot.
हर पिक्चर में थोड़ा सा आ जाते हैं, इसमें भी आपको लेके आएंगे. मैं कह रही हूँ सुभाष जी के साथ मैंने काफी सारी फिल्में की है. ताल, हर पिक्चर में एक सीन में आ जाते हैं, तो ये पिक्चर में भी पीक डिटेलिंग में आप ढूंढना एक सीन में होंगे हो.
आजकल मैं कैमियो का बहुत प्राइस लेता हूँ. क्योंकि कैमियो भी एक जो है अपने आप में ब्रांड बन गया है. और जैसे ही हम ब्रांड बन जाते हैं तो हमारी प्राइस जो है ऊपर चली जाती है. Anyway, it would be my pleasure to be with him in any kind of part of the creativity, music and whatever, whenever he wants me. You see, I'm there always, day and night. Let's fight. Thank you very much for all your blessings in being here. I'm very happy that today Khalnayak returns means with a bang. And congratulations to Manyata, Aksha ji, Sanjay Dutt and the whole team. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And sorry मैं थोड़ा late हुआ, मैं नहीं late हुआ, traffic late हुआ. Thank you.
And
Teased my creativity. It has teased my status. It has teased me to be inspired to be director again.
wow, wow, wow.
And I'm sure film. Now you see the trailer. you see his look, his characterization within himself. अभी तक वो भूला नहीं नहीं This is super. There is a child in Khalnaik. You see how I kept a title Khalnaik. I must tell you a small story. Because Khalnaik title was not welcomed by my distributors. यार बड़ा उपन्यास टाइप का है. But what I thought of the original thought कि जो खलनायक होता है, विलन होता है, if we look from our perspective, from dramatist point of view, he is a tragic hero. He is a rich guy, he is a handsome guy, he is a powerful guy, but a poor boy gets the girl and he loses the girl. है? तो practically जो विलन होता है, सब कुछ उसकी शिद्दत एक ही होती है कि एक चीज को पाना है. आप देखिए कि उसके अंदर कितनी बड़ा दर्द होगा. So what the Khalnaik has in this film, in this character, the pain him, and that is why when he talks weird, when he talks off the god, there is a pain in him. Wow. And you can see in the climax of the film, and I'm sure this film is going to be much better than Khalnaik, what we did 30 years back. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Can you get that? Poster just for Subhaji. वो दूसरा वाला हंसने वाला.
Baba, he's super emotional today.
You know, for me, that Subhaji is praising this. I mean, that means I'm on the right track.
Wow.
I mean, with his blessings, with my parents' blessings, you know, that means ये हम लोग सही रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं. I mean, what Subhaji, मेरे को याद था ना ये नहीं, वो सब याद था. But Subhaji is one of the, I think, greatest directors. खाली पीछे अच्छा खड़े, राइट में देख, लेफ्ट में देख, ऊपर देख, नीचे देख. तो मैं बोलता यार क्या कर रहे हैं सुभाजी यार ये. वो बोला फिगर मत कर, तू पिक्चर में देख लेना. Now he had the edit in his mind. You know, he knew where to put what. I mean, sir, I love you and I've learned so much from you. Thank you, sir.
Wow. What an evening.
Sir, एक पोस्टर यहाँ दिखाया नहीं, लेकिन वो सिर्फ आप ही के लिए है सर. What आपने बल्लू के बारे में बोला, बच्चा है and madness है. This is the poster.
This is exactly what happens when passionate people meet and they make a movie, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, हम सब ये witness कर रहे हैं. It's a big, big, big evening for all of us. इस पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much. Loving the posters. We've loved the teaser. मजा आया ना पीछे?
Look at the intensity in his eyes. एक ही आँख है, बहुत है, 200 आँखों के बराबर है. What a beautiful picture. Very nice. Sir, next picture में तो चांस मिलेगा ना? Thank you. Thank you.
Kindly pose for a picture. We'll do a quick picture.
पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत मुबारक. संजू बाबा पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत मुबारक. दिस इज सिमरन सिंह फ्रॉम डीएनए. बहुत सारे कंग्रेचुलेशंस बनती है. पहले कंग्रेचुलेशंस तो धुरंधर के अपार सक्सेस के लिए पूरी टीम को. सेकंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड इट्स अ बिग सरप्राइज जो हमने आज देखा खलनायक रिटर्न. बाबा मेरा सवाल आपसे है, 93 में फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सबसे पहले कब वो इच्छा हुई कि बल्लू बलराम की जो कहानी है वो आगे बढ़ सकती है, सीक्वल का जो एक थॉट आता है आपके दिमाग में कब आया था? और कभी ऐसा हुआ कि इच्छाएं हमने थोड़ी दबाने की कोशिश की कि यार एक बहुत बड़ी लेगेसी है, हम उसके साथ खेले नहीं, इट्स बेटर जब तक हमें स्टोरी न मिले, ऐसे हुआ था कभी?
भाजी नमस्कार किया ना थोड़ी
बस बढ़िया सर, सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल। एक्चुअली ये थॉट मुझे जेल में आया था। मैं वहाँ जेल में गाने बजाता था, तो बार बार फरमाइश सिर्फ खलनायक की होती थी। तो मैंने बोला कि ये खलनायक अगर फिर से बनाए तो कौन देखना चाहेगा। तो 4000 कैदियों में से सब ने बोला हम देखेंगे। तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, अगर आपको इतना शौक है तो एक एक पेज लिख के भेजना। मुझे टाइम लगा 4000 पेज पढ़ने में, लेकिन मुझे एक थॉट अच्छा लगा उसमें। तो मैंने सर को फ़ोन किया, मैं पेरोल पे आया, मैंने सर को बोला सर प्लीज़ यहाँ आइए। हाँ, और फिर मैंने सर को थोड़ा बहुत सुनाया। दैट्स हाउ आई मीन सुभाष जी गॉट ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड कि यार बननी चाहिए। तो है ऐसी भाई।
थैंक यू सर, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड।
He wrote a small letter from the jail. सुभाष जी, अगर मैं आज इतना जी रहा हूँ और अच्छी तरह जी रहा हूँ, बिकॉज जब मैं सुनता हूँ कि खलनायक खलनायक चारों तरफ है, और मैं आपको एक ऑडियो बना के भेजता हूँ, और इन्होंने ट्रेलर बना के भी भेजा मुझे खुद की वॉइस के अंदर। आई रिमेम्बर दैट इज स्टिल विद मी, एंड आई सेड कि दिस लुक एट द पैशन ऑफ अ मैन for the character, and we must make it till the end of our life. We've seen that, and that's why you will see the passion.
Subhash ji, will you be directing it, or what kind of association you will have with the film?
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्या कहा आपने?
किस तरह का एसोसिएशन आप डायरेक्ट करने वाले
मैडम का
हो?
परस।
क्या?
ये तो आप प्रोड्यूसर से पूछ सकते हैं।
प्रोड्यूसर साहब जवाब दीजिए।
Nothing is possible without the blessings of Subhash Ghai ji. He is the mentor, he is the guiding force, he is everything for us for this Khalnaik. So, and nothing is possible without Subhash Ghai ji.
You see, you cannot ask Sunil Gavaskar to play Virat. Sunil Gavaskar, हर एक स्टेज होती है, एज होती है, लेकिन तमन्नाएं और उत्साह और पैशन उतना ही होता है। तो मैंने सबसे पहले इसको यही कहा कि यू शुड हैव ए गुड डायरेक्टर। हम जितनी मदद राइटिंग में, म्यूजिक में तुम्हारी कर सकते हैं, वी आर देयर, और होल टीम इज विद यू, एंड एंटायर एटमॉस्फेयर, हम इकोसिस्टम हम आपको देंगे। यू हैव ए बिग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम मोहित जी, फ्रॉम भाभी एंड एवरीवन हियर, सो डोंट वरी। So that is why he has taken over this responsibility to produce the film, a responsible film. And I can tell you, I will be always with him whenever he needs me, at any stage.
Manita, how many times have you watched Khalnaik?
Many times. In fact, this morning when Sanju showed me a little bit, he didn't want me to see the teaser. He showed me a little bit, and I told him tonight let's watch Khalnaik again, and he's like yeah. So it is one of my favorite movies of Sanju. I was just telling Subhash uncle that ये जो film जब release हुई थी, I think Sanju was going through a very bad phase of life. He was it was during his incarceration when he was in, and this story not only of course as an actor it's fantastic, but it also talks about him in reality, somebody who's so soft hearted, somebody who is just actually a Khalnaik. It's his story, somebody who got trapped into a situation, a mistake or whatever. So this film is so close to him, and even before we decided of making this film, or that whole thought came, it was multiple times he would discuss, Mama, this film, he calls me Mama, he's like, Mama, this film, when I came back, I felt, I don't know, after the jail, how would the audience take me? But this film put it out there as if this film was just made to narrate his part of life. It It was just out there, and it of course it just became an iconic film. So this film is very important part of our journey of our life, his career, and yes, I've seen it many times.
Hello. My question is to Subhashi. Subhashi, Rajiv Vijayakar here. Khalnaik was the first album which was actually sold in the black market. You know, it was so popular. So what is? I didn't make money. So what will be your contribution to the music? How will you design? How would you plan to design the whole score of this?
This movie, you're talking about the previous one.
No, this movie.
This movie, you see, every music of every motion picture carries its own soul, its own vibrancy of sound, its own responsibility of sound. So I'm very sure कि जो एक दो गाने हैं वो तो उसमें रहेंगे, जैसे उन्होंने अभी थीम सॉन्ग बनाया, ये किया, इसके जो they have to produce better songs, better than this, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ गई है. लोग कंपेयर करेंगे, रामजीव जी फ़ोन करेंगे, नहीं आपको पूछा था उस दिन, तो उसने कहा तो आप ऐसे बता देते हैं, है ना. तो डोंट वरी, वी विल लीव नो स्टोन अनटर्न्ड if we don't have a great music in it.
Hello, sir, myself Poonam. This question is to Baba. Sir, here. Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
From Bollywood Themes Media Channel. So, when you were in the jail, so when you were there in the jail, so no work in the jail, so lot of fears and lot of thoughts may be coming to your mind. So that time also you were doing lot of activities. That means you are so creative. That's a good thing. So how you that time also you may be feeling that sensation that कब यहाँ से जल्दी निकलूँ बाहर और I try to come on the film, on the screen and rock and do my best. You may be feeling that time that when you were inside. So can you express some?
हाँ जी, 100% कौन जेल में रहना चाहता है. I felt that many times, लेकिन एक हवलदार ने मेरे पास आके बोला संजू बाबा, जिस दिन तू उम्मीद करना छोड़ देगा तुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कि जेल का टाइम कैसे कट गया. तो मैंने बोला क्या मजाक कर रहा है. बोला आप ट्राई करो, स्टॉप होपिंग कि आई होप ये हो जाए, होप हो जाए, कब निकलूँगा. मुझे दिक्कत हुई लेकिन मैंने कोशिश की, और जब मैंने उम्मीद करना छोड़ दिया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि जेल कब कट गया. You know.
Sanjay sir, this is Jogendra Tuteja. क्वेश्चन आपके लिए है. खलनायक जब आई थी उसकी खासियत सबसे अच्छी ये थी कि वो बहुत ही इंडियन ट्रेडिशन से भी रूटेड थी. बहुत देसी पिक्चर थी वो. उस टाइम में भी जब लोग थोड़े NRI टाइप की पिक्चरें बनाने लग गए थे, आपकी बहुत देसी थी. Is that the same rustic feel, old school charm that we can expect this time around as well?
It has to be that way. I mean, you have to make it rustic. You have to have emotions. You have to have the songs. You have to have. I mean, it has to be made like Khalnaik is made. You know, I mean, हम लोग को वो नहीं चाहिए, मतलब वो. You know what I'm trying to say. So I think 110%. If you can't make it rustic like how Khalnaik was, I think it's better not to make Khalnaik.
Please make it that way. That will be wonderful.
100%. I promise you it's going to be.
Thank you.
In the ये छोटा जो आपने देखा, I didn't feel it.
हाँ यार, आइडिया मिल रहा था. बिल्कुल. Thank you.
सुभाष जी, इधर. जब आप खलनायक बना रहे थे तो आपने संजय जी को कैसे बल्लू के कैरेक्टर में सोचा था?
जी, संजू के साथ मैंने पहली फिल्म इसकी की थी विधाता, अगर आपको याद हो. And he played a grandson of Mr. Dilip Kumar. And he was pushed to acting by his father, family, कि जो एक्टर बनो. ये बोले काहे को मैं एक्टर करूँ, मेरे को मोटरसाइकिल चला रहा हूँ मैं. So very interesting story. he was enjoying life, you see. And then he said, "Here, this kind of work, actor has to work so much." I thought कि यार नहीं होता है, you know. लेकिन जब उसने देखा कि भाई ये तो उस वक्त मैं इसको जानता था जब भी, and you were hardly 20 years old, and I could see that. I used to smile at him. ये फंस गया बेचारा, लेकिन कैसे भी करके उसने दिलीप साहब के साथ काम किया। तो दिलीप साहब को देखा कि यार ये तो बड़ा एक सीरियस मामला है, पर वो पिक्चर तो चली, सिल्वर जुबली हुई, पर बाद में उसको आस्ता आस्ता रियलाइज हुआ कि आई हैव टू टेक दिस कैरियर वेरी सीरियसली, एंड ही रियली स्टार्टेड लर्निंग द पोटेंशियल ऑफ एक्टर फ्रॉम देयर, एंड आई कुड सी हिज अदर फिल्म्स, क्योंकि मैंने उसके बाद 5-7 साल तो मैं दूसरी पिक्चर बना रहा था, तो आई कुड सी हिज प्रोग्रेस फ्रॉम फिल्म टू फिल्म, फ्रॉम सड़क एंड फ्रॉम साजन एंड ऑल। मैंने बोला यार अब ये सीरियस एक्टर बन गया, you know? तो मैंने जब खलनायक पिक्चर लिखी तो ये बात इंडस्ट्री में फैली, बहुत से स्टार्स लोग मेरे पास आए घर पे कि हमको खलनायक करनी है। मैंने बोला सब खलनायक मैं सोच के बैठा हूँ, पहले मैं उससे बात कर लूँ, और मैंने संजू को बुलाया और संजू को मैंने कहानी सुनाई, एंड ही सेड कि सर आई ट्रस्ट यू, आई विल डू दिस फिल्म।
बोल रहे हैं सर एक चीज, कहानी नहीं सुनी हमने, आपने बोला ये करनी है तुझे बस,
नहीं सुनाई थी।
क्या सुनी?
आजकल तो स्टूडियो वाले भी स्क्रिप्ट मांगते हैं इतना लंबा, उनकी टीम मांगती है पूरा स्क्रिप्ट दो, फिर उसके बाद वो क्रिएटिव पेंसिल से उसको भेजते रहते हैं। आप देखिए इतने ऐसे एक्टर थे जिनको हमने कभी कहानी नहीं सुनाई, नहीं सुना, कभी स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं दिया था।
जो पैसे लगाते थे उसको कहाँ सुनाते थे? तो
पैसे को उनको विश्वास था ये पिक्चर जो है इनकी जिंदगी है। जिस फिल्म मेकर की जब जिंदगी बन जाती है तो अपनी जिंदगी बेचेगा ना, तो उसमें पैसे की क्या बात है ऐसी। तो पैसे की तरफ तो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं। हर फिल्म में जो 15-16 फिल्में बनाई वो जिंदगी थी 15। हमारे लिए ऐसा था कि ये फिल्म क्लाइंट जो है हमारे ऑडियंस है, हॉल है, वो हॉल तक जो असर करेगी, सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर भी खुश होंगे, इन्वेस्टर भी खुश होंगे। मैं इन्वेस्टर को खुश करने के लिए गलत फिल्म बना के ऑडियंस को नाराज कर दूँ, वो तो ठीक नहीं, सही नहीं। तो एक विश्वास म्यूचुअल बहुत था। तो अगर मैंने कहानी नहीं सुनाई और इन्होंने हाँ की, इसका मतलब कितना बड़ा विश्वास होगा उनको मेरे पर। और हम लोग ने मिल के, और मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं कि उसके बाद जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया तो मैंने इसको बोला कि भाई 10 बजे तक शुरू चलती थी हमारी, तो कभी कभी कहता था 10 बज गए, अभी तुम जाओ, थक गए होगे। कहता नहीं सर ये सीन पूरा करके जाएंगे। और 2-2, 2:30 बजे तक ये काम करता था लोग। कैन यू बीट दिस खलनायक के अंदर? एंड आई वॉज सरप्राइज एंड टेकन शॉक कि ये वही है जो विधाता में काम कर रहा था, इसको पकड़ना पड़ता था। बच्चे आ जा, इधर कैमरे के सामने आ जा। इतना चेंज मैंने कभी नहीं देखा। एंड अगर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस का पूरा श्रेय है तो उसमें 30 मैं लूंगा, 70% इसका खुद का है। गॉड ब्लेस।
बाबा यहाँ पर, यहाँ सामने आपके। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि इस बार बल्लू को प्ले करने का प्रेशर किस तरीके का, क्योंकि नेगेटिव रोल आपके लिए अब नया नहीं है, लेकिन बल्लू एक बहुत ही आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर रहा है, तो उसको प्ले करने का दबाव है इस बार?
देखिए मैं प्रेशर में काम नहीं करता था। जब सेट पे आऊँगा, मेन चीज़ मैं आपसे एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ कि स्क्रिप्ट कैसी होगी, वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है। और उस पर भले वो 6 महीने लगे, 8 महीने लगे, विद सुभाष जी कंसेंट, मैं इनको भी तंग करूँगा, मैं हर जगह जाऊँगा, म्यूज़िक के लिए भी तंग करूँगा, लेकिन द हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म इज़ द स्क्रिप्ट बेसिकली। एंड जब तक वो स्क्रिप्ट वो लेवल की नहीं होगी तब तक आई थिंक हम लोग फ्लोज पे ही नहीं जाएंगे। और जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं प्रेशर में काम ही नहीं करता, सेट पे जाके देखी जाएगी।
ये तो रोमांस भी आराम से कर लेता है और मर्डर भी आराम से कर लेता है। अरे मैं बोला कुछ तो चेंज करो यार, ये तो सर आपने बोला मर्डर किया, मैंने कर दिया। आपने बोला रोमांटिक करो, मैंने कर दिया। तो ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिलैक्स एक्टर इन डायरेक्टर मीट्स। कि वो आपके ऊपर इतनी जिम्मेदारी छोड़ देता है कि आपको परेशान कर देता है कि यार मुझे तो करना पड़ेगा, because he has a personality, he is an actor, and he wants to do something good. God bless you, Sanjay.
Sanjay sir, I have a question for you. We are glad we got to watch Khalnayak 2. The two other characters of yours that have been iconic for us is Raghu from Vastav and Munna Bhai. Will we ever get to see Vastav 2 and Munna Bhai again?
वास्तव we are working on, and मुन्ना भाई, I think आपको राजू ईरानी से पूछना पड़ेगा। राजू, please make मुन्ना भाई again.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much, all of you.
Hello, Sanjay, Lipika here, Lipika Verma. You know, right from Khalnayak then and now, I would like to know, all of us would like to know, how much has Sanju involved?
संजू शांत हो गया है। Involved, I can't talk about myself, but I mean, I think I'm matured in life. I think I've become more mature actor, more mature in just general life. That's all.
Manita, would you like to add something to what Sanjay said? Since you've been there with him, his partner.
I think he's become a great father. He sees life through a different angle now. His perspective towards life has changed after having children. I mean, I think he's just changed in many ways. I feel he's mellowed down, he's sobered down, bit of aggression is less. Yeah, I think he's matured enough in many, many ways, and he is a changed person. I think Subhash uncle will also second that, because he has so many stories. In fact, yesterday he was telling me something, and he's saying, "Bada badmaash hai." So yeah, I think he has changed a lot, and he's changed for better.
Thank you.
I want to add an aspect to this. See, I get to work with him in so many films. Now I've just done 2 editions of Dhurandhar. I've done Raja Shivaji's playing Afzal Khan. While they're all sort of giving the personal aspects of him, I can say professionally, when he turns up on set, from all those years ago to now, I think he's more in character. He totally becomes the character now. He's having fun with the roles that he's taking on, and that's the biggest change that I see in him. He's got the swag of Sanju Baba, but he's totally goes into the character.
I have a question for Jyoti ji, because Jyoti Deshpande has become one of the top producer of the day. You see, and I would like to ask you one thing, that you have given so many hits now. You are an established producer. Every actor, every director, production house would like to work with you. What made you excited to pick up Khalnayak and support the film throughout?
So I think this very similar question was asked to me, and I think Jaise Dhurandhar became an era-defining film just now, and it's sort of not just for the box office, but for the impact that it generated. I think Khalnayak did exactly that in 1993. It broke the format on all the rules that are written on paper. When you greenlight a film, Khalnayak broke it. I love that about it. So I'm very excited to take on the challenge, a very big challenge of taking this forward. And I know that everybody that's जो ये फिल्म के साथ जुड़े हैं, all the people attached to this film are extremely passionate. Nobody is doing it for paisa, power, glory. Everybody who's attached to it is doing it because they think it's exciting to do something era-defining again. So I will never miss out on such an opportunity. It's my privilege to be part of this.
You see, she is talking about the challenge, but she is scaring us. कि बेटा तुम लोग काम करते हो। मैं चैलेंज तो आप लोगों का है, मेरा तो क्या है, मैं तो आपको सपोर्ट कर लूँगी, ठीक है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और हमको चाहिए पंपिंग के लिए लोग एक बंदे चाहिए थोड़े थोड़े से जो हमको कहते रहे कि सोचो खलनायक बनाई थी, आप क्या बनाओगे बेटा, ऐसा। Thank you. And she is very inspiring lady for any good director, good producer. And thank you very much for all of you. I hope this interaction session is over unless you go into gossip.
Jyoti ma'am, out here on your left.
This question is for you.
Yeah, so I just want to know, you're known as a box office queen now because you've given 2 big hits, and as you said, part 1 was also a huge hit of this movie, Khalnaik. So, क्या hopes है आपकी from this part 2 का box office?
You know, कोई अगर नहीं चली तो ऊपर से नीचे नहीं गिरा देना भाई. You know, of course, I mean कोई भी उठ के ये नहीं सोचता है कि चलो आज खराब पिक्चर बनाते हैं. You know, हर बंदा जब पिक्चर बनाते हैं हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, and every film that we put our blood, sweat and tears in, we think that is going to be the best film that we have ever made. But for Khalnaik, you know, you sit down, you do brainstorming sessions for many films, but this already feels different because what kind of ideas, you know, our minds are buzzing with. The last brainstorm session we had, I think कुछ बहुत हटके करेंगे, but ये पिक्चर की जो मूड है, जो ग्रामर है, जो टेक्सचर है, उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे. And I think we have to be very honest to what the original Khalnaik is, and not try to make it modern day Khalnaik just for the sake of it. So one thing that we know is that we are going to be very honest to the original Khalnaik. बाकी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, all cards are open.
Thank you so much. ज्योति जी एक पूछना है मुझे आपसे. यहाँ पे ज्योति जी, यहाँ पे on your left. On your left. ज्योति, आपकी यादें क्या है खलनायक के? When was the first time you watched खलनायक और यादें क्या रही है? Because हमने देखा है लाडला में भी कोई रेफरेंस था जहाँ पे ब्लैक पे टिकटें बिक रही है, लोग एक दूसरे पे चढ़ के जा रहे हैं to get a ticket of खलनायक. आपकी क्या याद है?
I was 23 years old. It was the year of my wedding. मतलब उस साल मैं शादी हो रही थी, and I remember watching it in Gaiety. मैं गेटी गई थी, and it was like नहीं जा सकते हैं और वहाँ आदमी लोग हैं, you know, लड़कियाँ ही नहीं हैं, और मुझे पता है मैं घर में झूठ बोल के मैं गई थी. मेरा फियांसी भी बहुत पोजेसिव था, मैं झूठ बोल के खलनायक देख के आई.
जितने भी पाप हुए हैं, झूठ हुए हैं, वो खलनायक की वजह से.
All right, ladies and
संजय
gentlemen,
सर एक सवाल मेरा है.
I know.
Sanjay sir, this question is for you. You know, we want to know who will play the lead, a female lead in the film, and if we see Madhuri Dixit in a cameo in the film.
That has to be seen. अभी तो आस्ता the end भी पूछ लेंगे, इंटरवल भी पूछ लेंगे. अब पता लगा पूरा स्क्रिप्ट आ गया आपके हाथ में. अब आस्ता धोती पकड़ के, रुमाल पकड़ के धोती तो पकड़ के. थोड़ा सस्पेंस रहने दीजिए.
One last question.
Yes.
सर एक सवाल मेरा है, संजय सर, एक सवाल मेरा है कि आज की अगर दौर की बात करें, अगर आप नहीं तो कौन ये रोल के लिए परफेक्ट होगा विद ऑल दोस लॉन्ग बियर्ड हेयर्स? रणवीर सिंह या रणबीर कपूर? आपको क्या लगता है सर?
कोई और ये कर ही नहीं सकता, कोई ये पिक्चर बन ही नहीं सकता.
बोल रहा था अबे मैं क्यों नहीं?
इसका जवाब तो यही मिलना था दोस्त. Okay, ma'am, one last question.
Yes. My question is for Mrs. Aksha. Hi, Alice Peter from Amarasi.
Hi.
With an ever-evolving industry like this one, what is the vision that you have for Aztec Entertainment?
We just want to tell great stories. We want to respect the old cinema, and we want to integrate the new age technology and the newer style, but we want to maintain everything as it is. But yeah, great stories with modern excellence. That's what we're looking at doing.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, thank you so much for being here, being a part of this. That's all we have for you. We'll do a quick picture with the entire team. Whoa, the excitement, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing.
Yes, look center.
शराब में अच्छा लग रहा है इसमें. Yes, we're loving it.
सर आपका हाथ. सर सही सर. अच्छा क्या बोल रहे हो भाई? Look center, संजू. लोग सेंटर. लोग सेंटर.
टीजर एक बार और चलाना बनता है मुझे लग रहा है. I know. Can we have it like one more time, please? Karan sir, I have here you of course. What we were just talking कि अभी इतनी बार तो हमने कभी कोई ट्रेलर नहीं चलाया है. यहाँ पे हम टीजर इतनी बार. You want to make it official? ज्योति. Gaurav, thank you so much for being here and of course doing the honors. Yeah, बनता है, of course बनता है. Give it up for Gaurav, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Gaurav Dubey, the man who is looking handsome today.
The people behind the scenes for this beautiful cut. I want to thank Gaurav, Paras, Ankur. Thank you. You guys worked day and night to make such a fantastic product. Thank you for believing in Subhashji, believing in the vision, and thank you for taking Khalnaik further. I think you guys have all grown up seeing Khalnaik. Thank you. Thank you.
Returns with Aspect Entertainment. You have to talk about it. मानव मैम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Sanjay sir, the OG superstar, is here, and of course, we have to talk about this boss lady here. Usually, our producers, they say कि हमें box office से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, लेकिन पहली बार हो रहा है कि box office बोलता है मुझे ज्योति देशपांडे और जियो स्टूडियोज से डर लगता है. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Consecutively 24. स्त्री की बात करूं अगर मैं 25 धुरंधर and then धुरंधर 2. Ma'am, you have killed it. Thank you so much for that. And सबसे कमाल की चीज ये है कि अभी धुरंधर 1 और 2 में हम खलनायक को देखने वाले हैं और अभी राजा शिवाजी आने वाली है. ऑफ कोर्स महाराज के ऊपर ये फिल्म, उसमें भी हम खलनायक को देखने वाले हैं. गिव इट अप फॉर देम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. वाओ, व्हाट अ कोलैबोरेशन. मैम, आई वुड वांट यू टू टॉक अबाउट इट. सबसे पहले वी विल स्टार्ट विद यू.
So we started with this because Khalnayak is such an emotion. It is you can't define it as just a film, like it is iconic and how, and there couldn't have been a better start for us than this.
Baba, we have to talk to you, of course, and it's a legacy.
अच्छा ये है क्या? No, I don't know. You have to come and watch. We are giving cash prizes. Just come and watch.
You're very smart. You're trying to allure people, like politicians giving cash.
अरे यार, if politicians can knock every door, देखो politicians हर एक door knock करके भाई, they give, I don't know the process, but whatever it is promises they do and they win and they do a lot of things is the same thing. I'm following what politicians do. Knock on every door, go to every community, saying that guys please come and watch, and then they come and watch.
And then you disappear. Sorry, then you disappear.
No, मैं तो यहीं पर रहने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मुझे और movies तो बनानी है, तो यही, I have to be here, right? I can't just run away.
So are you genuinely going to distribute 1 lakh rupees to the audience? Who gives the answer first? How are you going to evaluate their genuinity?
So basically, we'll come to know easily because they have to tell which show they went first day, first show they go, and they also need to mention that in Instagram that hey, start of the movie we are here, and then in middle of the movie they need to say hey, this is my vote. They need to tag us Joe Sharma USA, tag us in Instagram. That is where we'll come to know about the time frame, and you have to be genuine. Like we can't really say everyone to be genuine as such, but we'll come to know.
That's what you elaborated now, how to become genuine. So will you really pay or you just trying to fool?
No. We'll really pay. Swear me, I went to all over United States, went to all states. I literally took $1,000 in my hands, cash, and I told them we gave little premieres to people, 1 or 2 main organization heads and all. We recorded them before and after.
Okay. What's the budget of the movie?
The budget of the movie is 6 crores. It's a low budget movie. But even if we get little bit of traction, we can become crorepati.
And you're taking cash in the hand, you can be you can be knocked by the CBI.
किस
इनकम टैक्स
for what?
तुम बोला ना अभी पैसे लेके मैं जा रही थी.
To all 1 lakh rupees everywhere. $1,000 से कौन सी बेपा करता है? $1,000 is nothing. 1 लाख तो आजकल इंडिया ऐसा हो गया, right? You believe me? We Americans we feel poor. हम वहाँ ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं करते, लेकिन यहाँ तो लोग तो अरे 1 लाख बस ले लो. They go for shopping 30,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees. I'm like, huh? And we kind of are like, oh, more shall we have some discounts or deals? Yeah, the people spend a lot. India changed.
Okay, finally, do you love India or do you love San Francisco?
Kya, some tricky question before you're closing. Come on.
Chollunga. Nalla chollunga.
Cheppu. That's what
I'm telling you in Tamil.
Tamil, I don't understand. Marathi. I have 2 eyes. I like both eyes. One is San Francisco, one is US and one is India. So you guys choose.
Very smart answer. Okay, on a closing note, would you like to say something about your film to the audience?
Yes. Guys, we are not big stars, but we will become big stars. But please come watch the movie, because if you watch the movie, you will love the movie and you will think every penny you spend, paisa you spent on this is worth the thrill that you are going to face. कि प्लीज़ मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी, आप आ जाओ और देखो और आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि आप ये थ्रिल को बहुत एंजॉय कर सकते हो. एंड अभी कोई बड़ा मूवी नहीं है तो आपके पास पैसा है ना, तो इसमें खर्च कर लो. Thank you so much. Very kind of you.
Action. Okay. You have a very different kind of a name. Would you like to elaborate a little about the name?
Yeah, I have 1-letter word, Joe. Joe Sharma. It's, since I'm from United States, people always have shortcut names. So mine is very unique. Easy to remember. Joe Sharma.
Yeah. You don't want to reveal the full name because that's a secret, or you can reveal.
No, for me, I want to become famous as Joe Sharma. Something unique. If I reveal the full name, people will call me with full name.
Okay. You are a mix of Marathi and Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh,
yes.
as you said.
Yes.
So which language is a very important this thing, communicate. So which language do you like most? Being in Mumbai, you have to learn Marathi, you have to speak Marathi. What do you have to say about language?
I speak a lot of languages. So I speak Telugu. I am good with Marathi. Hindi, very good. I understand Punjabi. I understand a little bit of Gujarati and Tamil. So I I'm pretty much, and I can speak a little bit of Spanish and American accent too. So I can pull off a lot of languages.
All this while we've been hearing you in Hindi accent. So let's have some American accent, What is M for M?
Motive for murder.
Okay. So what is your intention about murder?
Intention? There's no intention. I just get scared of murders. But I'm still a crime investigator journalist who's playing that crazy strong woman character who goes and investigates the murders. So पहले जब मुझे ये रोल मिला था, I get scared very fast. Like कि भूत हो भाग जाती हूँ, murder हो भाग जाती हूँ. And then they're like, oh, you need to play crime mystery journalist. I'm like, huh? And then I'm like, you need to go to dumpster places ki wahan kuch bhi mil gaya, dead bodies mil gaya. And then I'm like, no, I don't want to go. Then they're like, nahi, tumko kuch choice hi nahi hai. I have been in situations in shooting where the place was nowhere in my entire life I would go to that places. But मैं गई थी.
Which location?
In the movie.
No. In where? Which state? Which country?
No, in Hyderabad while shooting is happening.
So which place?
So Shamshan, where you go. So I get very scared with that. So I was like, no, काँप रही थी मैं कि मुझे नहीं जाना. And they are like, oh, it's okay, सब ऊपर जाने के बाद यही तो पहुँचना है.
Acha, you were talking about, kind of being abroad, what kind of a reception you've got there? Because Indians, even Priyanka, she had to fight a lot and she has brought pride to our country. We women have that brown complexion. So what kind of body shaming on par with your complexion did you have to face there, and how did you handle it?
I might sound strange, but I always only got compliments.
So nice, because this complexion is loved by foreigners. How many foreigners have you been in love with? How many of them followed you, and which one you chose?
I didn't choose any, but I just like everyone to love me. That's all. I'm happy with that. But I live in a place like in Bay Area, San Francisco, where I have been interacting with all communities, diversity, and I have seen like people are very encouraging. I know there's always some community, like maybe there might be some comments here and there, but people are very progressive. They include everyone, especially the place where I am in. That's a place for diversity in Bay Area, like in California.
Now, because of the kind of situation we're having, like war kind of a situation, what is the situation there? And then we hear that he is deporting all the Indians. And what do you have to say about this war-like situation? You've just come from there.
Yeah. It's better I don't comment on it.
But you can speak about the reality, the political situation there, that you have seen, how Indians are treated, because every day we are seeing,
It's all about they follow the rules. One thing in United States, it's a sabko ek hi, they keep telling only one thing is that follow the rules, respect the law. And anyone who doesn't follow the rules, you be ready with the repercussions. That's all. And बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है ना कि especially I have noticed like in Indians, not Indians मतलब वहाँ जो जाते हैं, they don't understand the rules 100%. हम इतना ध्यान ही नहीं देते, हम अपने दुनिया में लगे रहते हैं. तो वो चीज़ के लिए वो बार बार बोलते हैं कि भाई आप अमेरिका में हो तो आप प्लीज़ हमको जैसा चाहिए यहाँ का रूल्स जैसा फॉलो कीजिए. That is what they keep emphasizing.
आप NRI हैं?
हाँ जी.
Okay.
I'm a US citizen.
NRI.
I'm a citizen of United States.
Yeah. So the citizens of United States के rules भी कुछ change हो रहे हैं ना?
Not really, but that is more for people who are immigrants who are coming in. They have a lot of new restrictions coming in for the United States. Yeah.
Okay, coming to the film,
Yes.
Now, you're releasing in Hindi.
Hindi, yes, and
Telugu, and so many languages. But I specially asked in Hindi because today you are launching the trailer song and everything, and you spoke about two very important actors, Salman and Shah Rukh, and you whatever you tagged Salman. Do you know if Salman gets angry, what happens? He got angry with Vivek Oberoi.
Oh, Salman Khan ji, please don't quote me. I did not say anything to you, but he's very sweet. I mean, my when I was trying to come to the Bollywood, everyone said only one thing: you want to have a break in Bollywood, it's Salman Khan. He's the one who gives chance to all the new actors. Ab jitne bhi dekhe ho, Salman Khan ji is the one who introduced a lot of new actors. So I love Salman Khan ji, and but Shah Rukh Khan was like my favorite since many years. So you always look at that romance. He kind of changed the world with all his romance tactics and everything. Or every girl is like, oh, I want a boyfriend like Shah Rukh Khan, because he made that aura of romance being the way to go for a man. And Salman Khan ji made it like action hero. A bhaijan, like, you know, anyone you want protection, ki Salman ji, I'm coming to you. So I know everyone like forced me to say, oh, tell him that, you know, Budde ho. I'm like, no, no one is old, no one is Budde. We are all young till death. So I always believe that, you know, nobody goes to that.
Okay. This is your debut in Telugu.
Yes.
And can I call you a Southern Siren?
Okay. I want to become Southern nice, Indian siren.
Actually, you also spoke that from South they come here, and now it is, Tollywood has become so important, you know. We were recognized because of Bollywood, you know. In global map, we were recognized because of the Bollywood industry. But now it's just vice versa. How do you look at this progress of Southern people, you know? They have uplifted the global status and standards.
Yeah, see, Tollywood has more content-driven stories, and that is what clicked. And also, people are very hardworking. In South, they keep like comparing a little bit with Bollywood. Not that I want to point any fingers, but in South, small budget se bhi ab bahut acha movie bana sakte ho. But Bollywood makes impossible. There's no way unless you are like have lot of money. And in South, you will find lot of support to release and everything. So if at all anyone want to debut, you have to start from Tollywood and then climb the ladder to come to Bollywood. You have to come through South.
So you said you have signed some films. You don't want to say. Is it in South or is it in Hindi?
Hindi and Telugu together.
Hindi and Telugu together. And who's the director and producer and actors? Same or different team?
Different team, and I can't reveal that right now because, you know, I don't want to break their suspense.
Yeah. But we also have camps, you know, be it Tollywood, be it here. And there are outsiders and insiders everywhere. So in Tollywood, do I consider you as an insider or outsider?
Oh, good question.
Sachi bolna. Because outsiders in South, you know, they have their own group. I know Advishesh and all, you know, they have their own group.
As of now, I don't belong anywhere. I'm just getting started. I mean, I just came from United States and I'm just here. So I still didn't get that chance and time. Maybe I'll be both insider and outsider.
Oh, that's great. And you have a recognition more because you are from you're from San Francisco.
Yes.
So do you think Indians always get allured? They are lured by foreign people and people staying there, or is it because of your financial status?
Financial status.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, generally Indians most of the people who go there,
attracted towards.
You know, they're more smart and they get more opportunity, and money drives. That's what I feel.
Okay.
I think people get attracted to money.
Anything else you would like to say, you know, about the film as it's releasing on the 8th? Does it have a clear window, or is it clashing with some other film?
Oh, actually, we are so lucky. God's grace. Even in South also, there was a very big movie about to come right before that.
Which one?
Peddi.
Peddi. Oh,
that got postponed. So we
that
got very lucky that no big movies during our movie release, and aise movies ko sustain karke, you know, we can become overnight stars, right? It's just a matter of no other movie, good promotion, some viral content, and that's it. As long as we get people to the theatre, they will love it.
Do you think you're talking about getting recognized as stars, you know, but nowadays heroes themselves, is the film star driven or content driven?
Hamara movie is all content driven. Content is the hero.
Yeah.
Very quick, we tell that to everyone ki bhai, our content is the hero. There's no big stars. There are stars who are like famous in America and other states, but you guys make me the stars.
Finally, you know, is it a female driven content?
It's a killer driven content.
But the story is revolving around you.
I can't say anything, but it's a killer driven content. The killer is the one who's going to drive crazy.
So that's you.
I have no clue. It's a little question. I think ye hai ki wo hai